Kalea's kitchen. What is that? Is that a bird? Is it a plane?
It's Halloween kitchen.
Oh, yay!
Oh, we're making mummy hot dogs, like pigs in a blanket, but like mummies. But stay tuned, because we're having a preview for the next major holiday in this video.
What?
Oh yeah. Well, to the next 2 major holidays, because we have pumpkins. And we have Christmas cookies on the way.
Oh my gosh, guys! Woo! Welcome back, guys.
So we have 2 options. We have, chicken and apple sausage.
With cottage cheese and mustard?
Very. Is that what it says?
No.
Oh.
You know, when it's like
No.
chicken and apple sausage with cottage cheese and mustard?
No.
Ew. Yes, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's
Insert
what.
a clip.
Yeah. Here's a clip.
Today's lunch is a chicken apple sausage. Actually, it's pork with cottage cheese and mustard.
So we also have Hebrew National 100% kosher.
Yay!
Kosher beef
It's just for
hot dogs. And our other guests.
Oh.
Where is he?
These are more normal, so we'll see which ones work out better and if we end up cutting them up.
The kosher ones. Happy Hanukkah.
I'm gonna wrap these in this, and then we're gonna eat the pumpkin. Let's see if I pick it up.
Your dad's hand.
Oh.
Well,
Can you open it?
it's not that hard.
It is.
Maybe it's not.
Can you try it?
Okay, well.
You got that.
It's open. Oh, that's gross.
So,
Kids read blurry.
Unwrap it. Unwrap.
let's wrap our mummy.
How do you open?
Oh, gosh.
This peel doesn't look that easy to me.
It's okay, Golden. You have scissors.
Oh.
My mom said, wrist pain, try these simple exercises. That looked like a mummy to me.
It's our first mummy.
What? Can we get a reference pickup? Okay.
Let's do another one. It's a mummy, so it doesn't have to be neat.
They're dead. Another because hot dogs are better than sausage. Sorry.
Hot dogs are a bunch of baloney.
Kalea, look to your right.
Trick or treat. Ooh, that was very satisfying.
Yeah, I know.
Wait for a wafer. I'm the one thing in life I can't control.
I feel like there's too much rap.
Woo!
Nah, never enough.
Oh my gosh, you know what I want me to do?
Sorry.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done filming. Bye, guys.
This is done before.
Dun, 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 dun.
Transition on it.
New transition. Wait.
Ah, they're done! Yay! You
Okay.
open them?
Frickin' frick.
Ooh, they look really golden brown.
Here's the chicken and apple sausage mummy.
cheese and mustard.
Okay.
Without cottage cheese and mustard.
Mmm. Is it good?
Muy delicioso.
Okay. Katie and I ate this one just off film, and I would give it a 10 out of 10.
I give a big boom.
Boom!
Boom or doom? Boom! Do you not know what that is?
No,
Okay.
no, I don't.
That's what we do.
We bring the boom.
Wait,
That's what we do. We bring the boom.
we bring the boom to you.
Who cares? Okay, so even though it's Halloween, we're making Christmas cookies.
Because they did not have any Halloween cookies left at the
I'm
store.
very excited because I love these cookies. Why is this so video? Cool. I do.
Wait, I think we could put more than.
No.
Okay.
We'll just make another sheet. This is our basket. Which one is it?
It's the Brigatoni.
I found them. You wanted to sell them, but Devin was a
No, that was Pokemon cards.
brother.
Ah! Can you do the mouth transfer? Oh, what? Wait, you do it? You're so gross. The cookies are done! Oh, yay! Okay.
My mommy said I can't touch hot things.
I can. Sorry.
Okay.
Shoot. Oh. Ah! Too strong.
Wait, don't put it there. It's here.
Move that, yeah.
I'm feeling like it's not cooked.
Oh, if I get food poisoning, then
Oh
I will
gosh.
have to.
Cookies ready?
Don't eat. Get the reactions.
Mmm.
Can we get a number reading?
2.
Out of
What?
3. I'll give it a 4.
No way. The sugar's starting to kick in.
You're right. 3.
That's a 4.
You just go down?
That's a 4.
Is it because they're Christmas?
Yeah.
Well, I like them.
Personally
If they were
victimized.
high, they'd be a 10. Okay, it's actually tough. Is this not tough? Tell me if I pull it to first match day, this one will be tough. Wait,
This is my swag.
how fast can I run for this to actually fly?
Please jump. It's not gonna. No.
Same, I'd move.
Our guests are so large, so we're already out of cookies. So we're making brownies.
She's a
fudgy
trying to
brownies. This is it. So we need 2 large
bed.
eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, and all this brownie mix.
Shoot!
Oh, also, here are the leftover croissants that we made with the dough. ¿Dónde están los huevos?
Huego?
Huevos? Huevos?
Oh my gosh, I need to do my loom. Should I do my loom right now?
Yeah.
Fly
cracked
me
2.
to the moon. And let me hang
Do you watch Squid Game?
forevermore.
Why did he give me that one? Okay.
This is riveting.
I know. Okay. Together? Please take my cape off.
They're just standing in the toilet.
In the toilet.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Oh, did you need a tutorial?
How do I pee? Help! I don't know how.
Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good counting, son. How do those pumpkin guts make you feel?
Just absolutely wanting to vomit. Where'd you go?
I went outside to test my kid. I was running the street. My feet are a little dirty.
Ew. Why are you wiping it off on my floor?
I'm not. I'm just walking.
Okay. 1. 2. Time to mix.
How much chocolate hawk to a hawk to a talk to? How much hawk to a hawk if a hawk to a could hawk would?
TikTok.
So anyways.
Do you have any drippy cheese? Good enough. From the screen.
From the screen
Stop.
to the fence to the kid. You can tell. Sorry.
Whoa!
I was not.
You gotta level up in here. Just drink things all better. Dude, you just got here.
I'm getting flashbacks.
Can you even taste it, Kai?
Doesn't matter, this protein.
This
This
is
is
deja
like
vu.
every single other video.
Ow, dude, I actually hurt my knee so bad.
Aww.
Shoot.
Sam
Playing-
hurt my knee, bro.
Playing tennis. Dang it.
I'm lost.
I'm not even kidding, I think I can permanently
Oh, do you see this?
Who does that?
Is there anything in here? Or
No.
just a
It fell on the floor.
That's gonna be your transition.
It did not cover the camera though.
So, I got in the car and then at the same time I answered your call. And I looked away, I slammed my knee against like the door or something.
Is that your tennis knee?
Okay.
Can I eat one of these or no?
Yes. That's why I got the camera.
Oh, those really good ones.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
this is
So
delicious.
that one's chicken and apple.
Cold, though.
Okay, you're late.
Microwave.
That one's chicken and apple sausage, and this one's a normal hot dog.
Applesauce?
Chicken
Yeah.
and apple sausage.
Applesauce. Can I microwave
Okay. Yes, you can.
it? I need a latte. Have you guys not been doing anything?
No.
Watching a stupid movie.
No, it was so good.
Not this one. I want to let them say that this. It was like girl versus monster.
Yes.
Can I get some water?
I'm gonna eat this in
No.
peace.
There are cups over there. Who left the trash can open?
Which one?
No. Yes.
The brownies are done.
And you can use like whatever you want.
The brownies.
The brown.
Ooh.
Wait, yeah.
Come over here. We need your reaction. These are done.
Yeah.
Is that brownies?
No.
They're whiteys.
What?
They're whiteys.
What are they? Seriously. What are they?
Brownies.
Brownies.
Can you get my reaction so I can get this over with?
Yeah.
Wait, but it's all soggy now.
Okay, just do it. Oh.
Look at me.
It's pretty good.
Great.
I'll do it. Don't worry.
I can't really taste the bread, but the sausage is fire. bro.
Oh, so your taste is back.
Yeah, my
I
taste.
got
Nice.
that at you.
Transition.
Good challenge for Ethan.
I have to finish the transition. Oh.
Why are you doing it like that?
Ow.
There's a tray for a reason.
Okay, wait. It's looking
No,
hot.
there,
It's
no,
hot
there.
through my.
Okay. Yummy.
Dude, what the what?
It's really yummy. Hold on, let me get you the. I'm gonna run away. Here's your meat.
Rations.
Bon appetit. Can we get a review?
That was disgusting.
I need to give Sam
Disgusting.
rations.
Tastes like poo.
I hate you. I hate you so much. Can we get a real review?
No, that's disgusting.
I wouldn't give it a boom though.
Oh.
Maybe like a boo.
Is Devin home?
No, he's
Devin?
not. He's not. What is happening?
I think they're trying to scare him.
They're out there.
I gotcha.
To breathe
It's the only chance I have to feel good, even though I feel bad.
I need to get the ink.
Sam, Judy Hop's on the screen.
I'm gonna make him. I don't know what I'm doing. How do I draw nice eyebrows? Like, you know, like the Asians that are like that look like old grandpas.
Like bushy eyebrows.
I don't know. Like, I want to make him peaceful. What am I doing?
This is 7 ounces of water.
Perchance.
Oh, this is eyebrows or his eyes?
I made this thing way too small.
Put like a little like there. You know?
No,
You feel?
those are his eyes.
Those are not. Okay, fine.
I want to make him bigger though.
Okay.
Pause.
No, I'm not coming.
Sammy! Sam's actually Sam was locked. I'm making this thing bigger. This seems like a very dangerous thing to do with a big kitchen knife.
Like this.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Okay, get away from guys. He's got a big knife in his hands.
Someone else film this.
Sammy.
I got it. I got good angles.
Terrible.
I saw this on a TikTok. Some like photographer dude. It's so it's invisible. Oh, that was me. I don't know how to cut brownies.
Hey.
M-O-U-S-E.
M-O-U-S-E.
Can you shut up?
What's that spell? Mousy?
God.
God, I think that you need to take a chill pill.
Look at those veins.
Okay.
So muscular, you know that?
You should look at Judy Hopps' veins.
I know.
Okay, Sam, we need you to film for the YT! I can't pick it up, it's too far. I can't go in the vicinity of Kai's knife, he'll cut me.
Is it a good angle?
Oh my gosh.
Bro, Brennan, it's not even close, bro.
No, I'm looking at your hands.
Oh.
They're so muscular.
Okay.
Oh my
How do you have
gosh.
muscular fingers? I'm confused.
Okay, dude.
You need to leave my house.
Yeah, why are you even here, Clay?
What?
Yeah, why are you here? This is supposed to be a dude's only night. Look at Sammy.
Oh, he looks like a dad.
He's already hit dad status, bro.
Or uneven.
It's fine.
Let me see, let me see.
Everybody calm down.
Oh, heck no. You missed.
Stop like.
I'm trying. No!
Oh my god!
Can you calm down?
Maybe don't use the gigantic kitchen
Yeah,
knife for
use a
this.
smaller knife.
Yeah, Kai.
Why is it nose so big? Are pumpkins eatable? Like the shell?
Eatable? Eatable?
Edible.
What English are you in?
Normal. Oh, no, he's in diabetics.
Yeah, that makes
We don't
sense.
learn
That
that.
makes
That makes
sense.
sense.
We like actually don't do normal stuff inside.
Okay, he's gonna have a mouth that's very close to his nose. If that is okay.
You're actually whacking him. Do you actually use fake hyper G on people?
Yeah, what's wrong with you, Kai?
I didn't!
Did you string all 10 of the guys' rackets with fake hyper G?
No! It was only mine!
Guys, stop making him mad when he has the knife.
Hey! Hey! Get away from me with that.
This could totally be filmed like a horror movie. Like, I suddenly go insane and, like, the camera's left and there's, like,
Okay, I don't want to.
blood that splatters in the background. Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
that lighting is sick. Keep it like that. Does it look cool?
No,
It low-key does. Are you kidding me?
No, that's not tough.
I do not care, bro.
Okay, I'm too scared. Are knives actually stabbable on people?
Yes.
Stabbable.
Can they be used?
Oh, I
to
saw on TikTok, if you stab an orange, it's like if you're stabbing someone. Like the orange skin is the same as somebody's skin. And I wanted to try it.
Let's try it.
Are you a psychopath? Like,
Well, I want to do it on
I
a
wanted
person.
to see what it would feel like to stab a human.
Well, do you not? That's like cool.
Uh-oh. A little
So
uneven.
stupid. Oh, you're making.
Can we make pumpkin pie?
Sure, go ahead.
No, like they're making.
Can you actually eat pumpkins though? Like,
Yes!
No, not the like inside.
Yes!
You have to like cook it, but yeah.
Yeah.
So we can just put the whole thing in the oven.
Oh.
Should I give him like a unibrow?
Just one fat.
Yeah. Wait, what do I put? What do I put? I gotta clean him up though. I'm gonna get this on
Who
camera.
was the woman?
Oh, oh! I'm actually him.
First try. See? What was that?
The only box.
Let's go! Oh, you're too heavy.
Should I even give
No,
him a
cut
brow?
it the other way.
Should I even give him a brow?
Just give him like a fat
No,
unibrow.
you should make one straight and one curved, like your weird face out.
Oh, the.
Yeah, you do it right
Okay,
now.
wait. Do it again.
No.
You did it.
I don't know how to do it.
You do.
Cut it. Do it. Like
The eyebrow raise. Oh.
Yeah, like that thing.
This one cut is making me angry.
Don't stab Sam.
Can we light him up now?
We should put a firework in it.
That's looking a good idea. It's looking a great idea.
But like a
Sam.
big one would launch it though.
That'd
be
It
cool.
would make it explode.
That's a Gucci Man idea.
That would be even cooler.
Gucci man, Gucci man.
Gucci Man.
Okay,
That's wrong.
I did it. I'm done.
Okay, let's go watch Utopia.
Can't turn off the TV.
Okay, I think we here now. Look at that fire jacket. I think all that is Jacko.
Jacko's slang for Jack.
Wait, can we make some stuff out of it? Because there's like stuff pieces and stuff.
The eyebrows and the eyes look the same.
This is very sus.
Okay, I thought you were gonna take stuff out.
I was talking about this stuff because it's not very clear. Okay,
This music is very fitting. It looks worse.
I don't want to see
No, it looks better.
Well, now that it doesn't have anything in there, the light is at the bottom.
Oh,
So it just looks stupid.
why don't you just like
I don't have a light.
hold on?
Yeah, that's better. Oh, okay. Well, not that. Sure. That kind of like defeats the point.
If it's like this,
Well, I think we just need to see if it scares Sam.
it's true. That looks better. High key. That's actually a good jack-o'-lantern for a 3-minute job.
3 minute.
Yeah,
This has been going for 14 minutes.
in a good way.
And this was before. What do you mean in a good way?
It was in a good way. Look, he
Where's
has an
Sam?
eyebrow raise too. He has an eyebrow raise. What?
Sam, is this scary?
Yeah.